Because what you're relying on are three things that you do not have control over, and that is luck, chance, and hope. Luck, chance, and hope that they're going to recognize you. You hope you'll get that promotion. No, you need to take your career into your own hands. Don't just rely on your performance, your talent, and your skills to take you where you are here at this level in your career. So now you want to get there, you can't rely on that anymore. Everyone's just as great as you. So what's going to be the distinguishing factor? It's going to be your ability to increase your profile across the organization and make sure higher levels of management know who you are. And is that going to take a tremendous amount of courage and risk to put yourself out there so you can stand out, get noticed, be remembered? Absolutely. But you can do it. Increasing your visibility is going to be a key thing you want to be working on. Now, if you're not visible, you're invisible. Might sound obvious, but how many of you don't have a wide enough profile in the company? How many of you lack exposure in the organization? The hard fact is that if you have limited exposure, it means you have limited visibility. If you have limited visibility, you have limited advancement opportunities. You got to make yourself known. You have to make yourself visible. I had a client, an engineer at Google, who did a great job, one of the smartest people in his group, brilliant actually, and his visibility was lacking because in meetings he would never speak up, and emails he was great, one-on-one he was great, projects not so great. He kind of didn't take initiative, kind of stood in the back seat. And over a number of years, what he saw is that he lacked visibility in the organization. And not enough people in management knew who he was, even though he's one of the most brilliant people in the company. And so what happened was his senior manager came to him and said, we want to put you on this project. We want you to be the lead on this project. But we can't because I can't trust that you're going to be taking enough initiative to lead the project. And top management doesn't know you well enough. You lack visibility. So you can see there's an impact in people's career when you lack visibility, and it's important to put yourself out there and make yourself known and let people appreciate the value you are bringing to the organization.